Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the English class. Today is a new day, right? And we are going to learn something fabulous, okay? I know in the online class, we have been interacting well, learning a lot about English. So let's continue with the same learning. Today, we are going to learn about some new kind of blend sounds along with how adding not to a verb which is was or were, you know what we use for past tense and for present tense, can change the meaning of the word. So as you can see on the screen, this is the worksheet for the day. I would want you to quickly open the worksheet, write today's date, and date is given, section, your full name in cursive writing. No place for roll number, you can still write your roll number somewhere here. Okay? What does this say? We use was in the past tense when noun is singular. So, what does this mean? First of all, you need to know the difference between past tense and present tense. Past tense is something that has happened before. Like I was in the school yesterday. She was at her aunt's home yesterday. Okay? And we use were in the past tense when noun is plural. So nouns, you know what are nouns? Name, place, animal, thing. Singular means when it is one. So I said she, he. And if I'm using were, plural, which means for many. They were in the park. Ali and his friends were in the garden. Right? When more than one plural sounds come in, we use were. When we practice the sentences, the whole activity will be easier for you all to understand. Shall we begin? Let's go ahead. Question number 1. Use was not or were not in the given sentences. When we are using not, it clearly means that we are using a negative sentence. Okay? It means that we are denying something. So let's read it and find out how this goes ahead. Okay? Alright. She dash happy yesterday. She was not. If yesterday has come, पुरानी बात हो रही है, was not. When past की चीज़ के बारे में होती है, we use was always. और present यानी अभी की बात हो रही है, we will use were. My friends dash in the park. My friends were not. Friends is a plural sound. Were not in the park. प्लूरल एक से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स की बात हो रही है, यहाँ पर शी यानी एक की बात हो रही थी. ओके. माई ग्रैंडफादर डैश वेल लास्ट वीक. ग्रैंडफादर वन पर्सन, व्हाट विल वी यूज? वॉज नॉट वेल लास्ट वीक. Dear children, when we apply certain rules that have been laid down for us for a grammar understanding, we need to remember it very well. Then only solving all of these sums become easy. Solving all of our grammar related sentences becomes easier. Meera and Meena, which means plural, dash in the class. Were not in the class. It dash cold yesterday. It was not cold yesterday. I hope now you have understood when we did the sentences. That's why even in the classroom, physical classroom, we practice with a lot of sentences. It helps us to understand the topic really very well. Okay? Circle the correct option. The bank was not or were not near to my house. Bank एक चीज़ की बात हो रही है, was not near to my house. My cousins, plural, was not, were not at home yesterday. My cousins were not at home yesterday. Two kittens, plural, was not, were not in the basket, were not in the basket. Write all these 5 sentences in the copy. Then only the understanding of the sentences will become easier for us to solve. Okay, now let's come here. Match the given picture with the names. This is a rabbit, a ball, a ladder, and a kennel. Kennel is the place where the dog stays. Okay, remember, kennel is the place where the dog stays. We've done this in our nursery class also. We are going to learn the double sounds. See, ladder. We don't say dadar, we say ladder. But the spelling is double D. Kennel, double N. Rabbit, double B. Ball, double L. Match it. You match rabbit to the word rabbit, ball here, ladder here, and kennel here. Make words with. So what are you going to do? You're going to make the words on your own. Okay, wherever double B is coming. So hobbit, HOBBIT. You can make another word, L. Well, duck. So here, what was the word? Ladder. We will come back to this one. Double N, kennel. Fennel, FENNEL, fennel. Double D word, we'll have to find it out, isn't it? Ladder. Then chowder is also there. Let's see. You try to find the words here and fill it here. Okay, but you need to have your words on your own. Make sentences using was not and were not. Was not. So you can do this now in your own words. You can do it at home and make some beautiful sentences. This is the portion of grammar for the day. I now want us to move to page number 60 of the grammar book. We are done Tell Me About Grandfather. Coming to page number 60, write the date 9.3.21. We are going to solve the crossword as we had done earlier. A black bird, one down is crow, CROW. Second is lion, LION, lion. If this falls, you may get wet. Rain, RAIN, rain. One and one is 2, TWO, 2. What is this? Moon. Fifth is a moon. Sixth is window. You all know all of these spellings. WINDOW, window. Seventh is ink. INK, ink. Eighth is book. BOOK, book. Can you see wherever the number is? I'm writing the spelling there if I know the spelling. Ninth is owl, OWL, owl. 10th is ant, ANT, ant. And 11th is ladder, LADDER, ladder. Like this, my dear children, we have to finish here. Okay. And let's do one more page number 61. Again, little drops we have done 9.3.21. We will use the best sound which is used for things here according to us. It cannot be perfect. This is according to us. Squeak, bang, crash, plop, squelch, whiz, zoom, thud, snap, crack, creak, boom. So, shall we do this? First word is crack. CRACK, crack. B1 is let's say, let's do something else and we will come back to the B1. C, when something breaks, what is the sound we get? creak. Okay, this is zoom, the car is zooming. Boom. So we have done boom, zoom, creak, rocket. What is the sound it makes? Whiz. Please add the symbol which is given, okay, and I will tell you about it, but for now just go ahead and add it, okay. Right, then this is plop. This is called exclamation mark. So squeak sound is of water. We have done bang, and this will be thud. Okay, at least for the day we finish this much, and I'll see you back in the next class. Till then, bye bye.